Okay, delete that. Lower this. Today, we are doing order blocks. Order blocks is the move that sweeps liquidity and breaks structure. That is an order block. What is an order block? An order block is a price range where orders were piled up and not fully filled in that specific area. So this is a bullish example. So say we're in a downtrend, boom, lower, 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 a little bit higher, lower, higher, boom, boom. Now we're on an uptrend. Okay. This move. Okay. I just see one in downtrend. Lows, 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 right? So this will be the break of structure, correct? This down move sweeps liquidity, pushes up, price comes down, breaks structure. So this entire move right here, that swept liquidity and broke structure, this entire move right here, no, sorry, I'm right. This entire move right here will be a bullish order block. This is a bullish example. All right, let's do a bearish example. Price is bullish. Fuck off. Price is bullish. Boom. Still getting nice little up moves. Nice little moves. That's too high. No, we're getting smooth down move. Sorry, I'm trying to do my best, fellas. Okay. So what is this? Bullish so this is liquidity, 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 liquidity. Price takes out this liquidity, boom, breaks structure right here. So the move that sweeps liquidity and breaks structure will now be the bearish order block. Okay. Now we see examples of it. Let's move to the charts. Yeah, and this was price action today. Butt cheeks. Alright. So let's find a bigger structure first. Alright. Price broke structure right here. Not on this candle, on this candle. But first we have liquidity sitting right here and right here. So price pushes up, sweeps this liquidity, comes down, and breaks structure. So this move, this entire candle right here that comes up, these two candles, this black candle, this candle, that comes up and sweeps liquidity is the order block. And we can just see, pull it out, boom, rejection, 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 rejection. Guess what? After all those rejections, we had a great swift move to the downside. Right here, boom, swift move, boom, swift move, boom, swift move. Swept all that liquidity. Price filled it. It's bullish now. Excuse me. Came in. This is not identified as, well, this is actually after we came up, disrespected this. This does not even exist no more. The order block will not be down here. Where is it at? Right here, high, low. Boom. We actually didn't sweep liquidity yet. Alright, boom, break a structure. This entire move. Sorry, I did it wrong. We don't have a sweep. We didn't sweep this. Wow, I almost just showed you a false accusation. That would be horrible of me to do and never do that again. Let's look for another bullish example. Alright, high, low. Broke structure. The candles, the up move that broke structure and swept liquidity. Boom, why did it sweep liquidity? Here's a down. Price swept liquidity right here, made a lower low. Boom, came up, tapped into it, still confirmed that we were bullish. Bullish reactions. Fuck off. Let's do two more examples. One bullish and one bearish. Let's do another bullish example. Is there a better one over here? No, it's not. It was almost an order block, but it wasn't. What is a good example of a bullish order block? You can literally find these anywhere. I'm just gonna say this one, but I don't want that example. That's a tricky example. All right. So what do we have here? A breaker structure. Obviously, this will be liquidity sitting here, so price swept this. We now broke structure to the upside. This entire move that took liquidity and broke structure will now be the order block. And as you see, this is failed. This is a failed bullish order block. This is actually a great example of a failed order block. Let's see. Break structure. Excuse me. Liquidity. Let me change these black. Liquidity. Liquidity. What do? We swept liquidity, broke structure the very next candle after we swept liquidity. This entire move right here that broke structure and swept liquidity, this will not be an order block. Have we even traded into this zone yet? No, this was actually recently. But we're coming up to it, as you see. Let's see if we get any recent price actions order blocks. Boom, break a structure, high, low, boom, swept liquidity, came up, boom, where we break structure. Let me change this to the breaker structure. Where we break structure, this candle, this entire move that swept liquidity and broke structure. What is this now? An order block. What we do today, come down, tap into it, boom. We're probably gonna tap into it again, probably fill it a little bit more and come back down. I mean, come and shoot back up to here. And then let's find one more example. Let's fuck it. Here's a high. Here's a low. I don't really want to change it. This will also be a breaker structure right here. High, low. This move swept liquidity and broke structure to the top side. This entire move will be an order block. Boom, tapped into it, bullish reactions. Eventually swept this liquidity, made a bearish order block. Breaker structure. Sorry. Breaker structure, swept this liquidity. Boom. Price of swept liquidity. Here's another order block. Alright. As you see, this was failed. This was failed. These order blocks are no longer in play. Okay, that is order blocks. That really took a couple fucking minutes, seconds, whatever. I don't even know exactly. 7 minutes in, that was explaining order blocks. I think next we have equilibrium, and then after equilibrium, we are now putting the whole strategy together. Alright. You have almost one more confluence. You have basically all the confluences. And then after we do equilibrium, we'll start putting everything together, showing step by step what I think. I will post 1 or 2 live videos of me trading and let you all go on from there. Probably make a couple psychology videos also. That being said, be ready for day 6, 7 tomorrow. All right.